Hello, welcome to my second video on Linux. Today I'm going to show you how to order your virtual private server. We're going to buy VPS. Let's review our course outline. So this is our course outline, and we covered this introduction to Linux, and today we will buy a virtual private server, that's VPS. In the description of this video, there's a link that says get VPS here. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page just like this, right? Now this is Contabo. We'll be buying our VPS from Contabo VPS. Now they are one of the cheapest VPS providers out there. So just scroll down. We're going to buy their cloud VPS 1, which will get 4 cores, 6 RAM, which is enough for your website. All right, so this will help your website load faster. 100 gig. All right, so now what we're going to do is we'll click on select, and I want to leave it as the monthly. If you want, you can buy the 12 months own and save $5. So you can make that $5. So sorry, the 12 months. Scroll down. And we're going to leave it as what? United States. Right? If you want, you can also pick this one. Depends on your region. So pick the data center closest to you. Alright? Scroll down. And we have storage. Now if I increase this storage to 600 gig, then you can pick this, but I want to leave it as 400 gig, which is free, and we are ordering SSD, that's solid state drive. Scroll down and leave it as Ubuntu, okay? But click here and pick Ubuntu 22.04 as the latest. All right, so this is the latest. 24 is the latest, but Ubuntu on Contabo is 22 right now. Take note, this operating system is going to be installed inside our server. So just leave it as it is. Scroll down, leave everything, and you can see the user by default is root. So we're going to enter a password. So just click here, create password. Make sure you copy this password somewhere, save, okay? Because you'll be needing it to log into your VPS for the first time. So I'll paste it here. Go back. Scroll. Now, if you need more storage, there's object storage here. If you need more storage, you can click and add more storage to your set. But for now, just leave it. Now leave everything as they are. Okay. Leave everything as they are, and we are buying on managed server. That means this server, you'll be the one responsible for the security aspect, monitoring it, its maintenance. You are the one going to take care of that, and I'll be showing you how to update your server. All right, so from there, let's click on what next. From there, you pick, are you buying for a private usage or for business? You can leave it as business, right? Or private usage, whether individual or business. Go down, enter your, whether you're a Mr. or Mrs. How do you want them to address you? Fill in your personal information, scroll down, enter your email, confirm, and accept. After that, just click on what? Next. And you will ask to enter your billing information, either PayPal or you enter your card details, and that's it. Your VPS will be provisioned. Okay. All right. So after you place an order, a successful order, Contabo is going to provision or install Ubuntu as an operating system on your server, on your virtual server for you. And after that, they're also going to send you an email like this containing your IP, your server type, the location, your VNC IP and port, your VNC password, your default user, which is root, and you have to log in with your password, the password you set when you were ordering. Remember that password I asked you to paste it somewhere safe. You need that password to log into your server. So we need these details in order to log in to our server. Once you get this email, just head over to the login page, enter your details, and click on login. So let me do that right now. Login and get you on the dashboard of Contabo. All right, so after logging into Contabo, click on your services. See all your instances or all your VPS here. I have 3. In your case, you should have 1. So this is the one we ordered, right? All right, so let me now show you some of the actions you can take on your VPS. Just click or hover on Manage and click on Control. You are taken to an interface just like this. So let me show you. Hover on this. You can see running. It means your server is already running. It's up and running. You can restart your server by clicking on this and it will restart your server. If your server is off, you can start it by clicking on this. So for some reason, if you want to shut down your server, you can just click on stop. Okay. Now you can disable VNC with this button. You can reinstall your server with this button. You can rescue your server. In case your server has problem, you can rescue it here. Right. So these are some commands you need to know when it comes to your Contabo's VPS server.